Good morning. We are going to see the topic as price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand for the demand function and the elasticity of supply. The demand function can be calculated by using the formula neta d is equal to minus p by x dx by dp, where x is the demand and p is the price. Dx by dp is the differentiation of x with respect to price, that is the differentiation of demand with respect to price. It is a demand, hence there is a negative symbol is exists. It is also called as a point elasticity of demand. Next topic is elasticity of supply. Elasticity of supply is the same formula as elasticity of demand, but one change is in demand we have the price value as a negative function, but in the supply we have the price value as the positive function, and we have denoted as neta s is equal to p by x dx by dp, where x is the supply here and p is the price. Relationship between the marginal revenue, average revenue and elasticity of demand. Marginal revenue is equal to neta d minus 1 divided by neta d, whereas average revenue is equal to marginal revenue into neta d divided by neta d minus 1. Neta d, that is elasticity of demand, is equal to average revenue divided by average revenue minus marginal revenue. Based on this formula we are going to see one problem. The first problem is, if the demand law is x is equal to 20 by p plus 1, find the elasticity of demand at the point p is equal to 3. Here the given function is x is equal to 20 by p plus 1. We know the neta d formula is minus p by x dx by dp. First we have to differentiate the x with respect to p. My x value is 20 by p plus 1. I am going to take the p plus 1 in the numerator value, so it becomes p plus 1 the whole inverse. If I differentiate that x with respect to p, x becomes dx by dp, and with p function I am going to differentiate the p function. P function, it is in the form of x power n. My formula is n x power n minus 1. Here the n value is minus 1, so 20 into minus 1 p plus 1 the whole power minus 1 into minus 1. So minus 1 will become minus 2. If the power is in negative we can bring it down. So in second step I have written that as minus 20 divided by p plus 1 the whole square. This is my differentiation of x with respect to price. I am going to substitute the value in elasticity of demand formula. So elasticity of demand is equal to minus p by x into dx by dp. So instead of dx by dp I have substitute my value as minus 20 by p plus 1 the whole square. Instead of x I am going to substitute the given equation. My equation is 20 by p plus 1. We know that the denominator of denominator will become a numerator. In numerator we are having minus p into minus 20. So minus into minus will become 20p. Denominator of denominator, that is the p plus 1 is the denominator of denominator value, so it comes to the numerator, so p into p plus 1. In the denominator I am having 20 into p plus 1 the whole square. 20 will get cancelled. P plus 1 will get cancelled. Finally I have the elasticity of demand function as p by p plus 1. They asked me to find the demand when the price is 3 rupees. So I am going to substitute the p value as 3 in my formula. So p equal to 3, neta d becomes 3 divided by 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 value is 4. So my elasticity of demand value is 3 by 4. Similarly, we can calculate the elasticity of demand for any value of the price. If the price differs, then the elasticity of demand value is also differs. Thank you.